शुभ पंचमी, गुड इवनिंग एंड वेलकम बैक टू अ न्यू ब्लॉग। और आज से शुरू हो रहा है दुर्गा पूजा के ब्लॉग। और अब हम तैयार हो गए, अब जा रहे हैं ग्रेटर नोएडा कालीबाड़ी। आज इनॉग्रेशन भी है, आनंदो मेला मतलब कि फूड फेस्टिवल है। वैसे तो हमारे पूजा कल से शुरू होता है, लेकिन एक दिन पहले सारा सेलिब्रेशन शुरू हो जाता है। एंड इट्स ऑल अबाउट फन एंड फ्रॉलिक। रिलीजियस सेलिब्रेशन अभी शुरू नहीं हुआ। लाइटिंग हमें यहाँ से दिख रहा है। इस बार ये 25 ईयर्स सेलिब्रेशन है, तो सब कुछ स्पेशल होने वाला है। लाइटिंग, पंडाल, सब कुछ। तो जाके अंदर ग्लिम्स भी देखेंगे, बहुत अच्छा। ये कोलकाता में तो रेगुलरली हर जगह पे होता है, बट इस बार यहाँ पे बहुत अच्छे से लाइटिंग भी हुआ है। वो दिख रहा है पंडाल। मोनिशा स्टॉल क्या बना है मोनिशा? मेन्यू का ढंग से बनाया नहीं। এবারে ডেকোরেশন তো একদম স্পেশাল তোমার। ये क्या मालपुआ? मालपुआ,
ये मालपुआ है और ये पाटी साफ्ता है। और ये स्वीट कॉर्न है।
ओके। लवंगलतिका लवंगलतिका এই नहीं, अभी थोड़ा सा जस्ट गोइंग अराउंड, देन वी विल स्टार्ट। ভালো। Singer will go for cupcake. This one combo.
इमली कपकेक.
हाँ?
इमली कपकेक.
अच्छा.
अरे आलू हाथ से तोड़ो.
Ayan, you have made these cupcakes. We are having दम आलू दही वड़ा और ये क्या है कपकेक. How is it? You platter? नहीं ऑरेंज खीर.
Some more sweets. You're not pressure cooking. No. Or motor shooting. Yeah, I can see. Blended. अच्छा.
पल्प निकालना ही सबसे बड़ा डिटेल.
It's a fibrous fruit, what you can say.
साले बोला है सीजनल नहीं
सीजनल भी है और हम लोग बाहर से खरीदना पसंद करते हैं. घर में
बहुत मेहनत है. जन्माष्टमी में हालत खराब हो जाती है इसको मैनेज करना.
इसमें भी उतनी ही मेहनत है. एक सेगमेंट एक ऑरेंज की सेगमेंट को आपने पील किया है.
और इसमें ना
She's taken out the orange segments, peeled each orange segment and then added to the food. Default food, but done with a lot of finesse. If you understand what I'm saying, yeah. Done with a lot of finesse. Bhaji, I guess.
क्योंकि मेरे घर वाले बाहर के पाव भाजी नहीं खाते, पसंद ही नहीं करते.
समझ में आ रहा है क्यों? Very good.
इसी में आपने बोला ना चटनी.
आप पानी इसमें डाल दीजिए इनको.
नहीं आप इसको पहले
क्या क्या आपका मिनी राज कचौड़ी और
डाइजेशन
How is it feeling, sir, to juggle between all the different taste buds?
well, it's cumbersome, and but the effort that a lot of people have put in is great. I see a lot of innovation also. Some have put out their traditional
Yes.
family recipes. Some have tried to innovate within that, and some have done something completely unique. But the effort is what I really appreciate.
Thank you.
Afghani paneer in Bengali you've written. मुझे लगा बिल्कुल ऑथेंटिक बंगाली खाना देखने को मिलेगा. I mean, I couldn't believe this when I saw this.
It's only written in Bengali.
You can create with whatever dishes. ऐसा कुछ नहीं किया.
This is a dish from Odisha. We serve dum aloo and dahi vada together, combined. Our dish. And we are serving cupcakes, one blueberry and one chocolate, both eggs. And the dum vada and dum aloo and dahi vada are again with garlic and salt.
And the cupcakes you take it home. It's nice to see that you have tried to put the effort to present especially for the judging.
Thank you.
मिट्टी के बर्तन, घर के चम्मच. Good. I was there then. Now she has outdone herself.
She has broken all barriers. Their life miserable. They will not be able to decide winners now. Yes. Okay, good.
Rosha Golko is the name. We will be opening a stall in a store of our own in Sector 17. की बट बोलेंगे तो चाट पे
ये फोटो नहीं अभी यहाँ पीछे पीछे फोटो नहीं आजा ये फॉर एवरीवन. हेलो आप फोटो लेते हैं. Oh, looking so pretty.
এবার কিন্তু আমরা পৌঁছেছি একটি বিশেষ মুহূর্তে.
সামনে ও বাপ রে. What is your name? Sesha. You're enjoying your puja? How's your puja? First day of the puja.
My first day of the puja is excellent.
Excellent. And no studies from today?
No studies.
Okay. So having fun?
Yes, extremely fun.
Yes, enjoy and have a lovely puja to everyone watching us, right? Happy puja. And they should come and visit our puja, right?
Yes.
Because we'll be announcing the results. With us, esteemed judges who have graciously agreed to lend their time, talent and wisdom in selecting today's winners. We have with us, and we look forward to you judges, Chef Anuj Kapoor, the Director of Culinary at Radisson Blu Hotel, Greater Noida, where he leads a talented team and continues to craft innovative menus. Jyote, Priyanka Mathur. Please come on the stage. Gupta, উনি পাচ্ছেন ওটিজি. একটু হাত তালি না হোক।
Congratulations. Or how are you feeling? Unexpected. Unexpected, but it was really tasty. I also tasted it. Congratulations. It was the first time for you, right?
First time for me. During Durga Puja, I normally.
We come to eat generally. This time.
First time.
Congratulations. Artist, congratulations. And these are all bakeries item, right?
Yes.
Cakes and all. So you do it out of passion or?
Yes, it's my passion. Though I was doing for my family only, but now I am planning to start something for others.
Okay, so this has been a great inspiration today. How was it being here?
Very nice. I loved it. Awesome.
So where are you from?
I am from Jaipur, but I stay in Noida.
Okay, Noida. Okay, which sector?
Sector 100.
Okay, yeah. I have spoken to Anuj sir also. So how is it being over here? This is the second year, I think, right?
Yes, the second time that we have sponsored. It's been amazing because obviously it's the 25th year.
Absolutely.
And, we are very glad to be associated. And I have recently shifted to Greater Noida.
Oh wow, that's great. That's great. So you're a part of our family then.
Yes. So it's very special to me.
Wish you a very happy puja.
Thank you, Shubha Puja.
How is it being here at the puja over here?
I think I've been blessed because I never expected Ma will call me like this. Tasty food. I'll be part of 25 years, I guess.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
Congratulations to all of you.
Thank you, ma'am, and happy puja to you. So congratulations to both of you. So we are looking forward for a sweet shop in Greater Noida also very soon. So Riya, back again once again for the 25th year of the Durga Puja.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
So it's all geared up. I can see all around that it's been, full of life. Right? It was a grand success today to start with Panchami.
And we were on the toes for last, I think, 2 weeks, and somehow we gave our best for everything, for puja, for pandal, for this Anand Mela competition. And it's always been an honor to be the part of this function because catering these home chefs, giving them a platform to show their talent is
absolutely.
It's the most, I think, so the amazing thing in the world. When they get prizes, when they get these kind of platforms. So I think so that is the most beautiful thing in the world.
Absolutely.
So I feel honored.
So what's so special about this year's puja?
This puja, I think so, the highlighted thing is that it's the silver jubilee, 25 years, 25 long years.
The pride of Greater Noida.
Thanks to the people who started this, and definitely we will take it forward.
Yeah. Happy puja to all of us.
Happy Durga Puja to you and happy Panchami to you.
Thank you. Same to you.